All right, let's see if we can't get this old Craftsman to start. Lt1000. Not too sure the year. I could find that out though. Whew, I just drug it way over there. Flat tires. So I gotta finish what I'm doing over here, and then we'll go ahead and get her restored. All right, it's been a couple hours. She is a dirty girl, not like the new one. So let's get her all washed up. Let's get some air in these tires and assess what we got going on here. Gotta assess a lot of things that's going on here. Let's do it. All right, got the pressure washer all ready to go. Let's get them both washed, but mainly focusing on this guy. Hopefully we get started today. All right, so it's windy out there, but I think what we're gonna do in this episode is just to see if we can get this dang thing running with the belt or the blades and everything working properly. So I'm gonna push it in here and get the tires aired up, and the battery's dead on it, so we'll just have to get a good jump start on it. So let's do it. A lot heavier when they have flat tires. Speaking of which, let's air these puppies up and then let's assess the problems. Pump them up. Oh God. All right, guys. Well, I have a tire rack, a tire changing kit over there, so I can do tires on beadlocks or non-beadlocks. We replaced all the tires. Went to go put some air on the last one. I'm like, where the hell the valve stem at? Turns out, we put the dang thing on backwards. Well, that's another project. Let's do it. Switch the tire out. So much easier to move when the air's out, or when the tires are aired up. Except that one. All right. All right, let's get her jacked up and get the wheel off. Oh, Billy. crazy how the valve stem's on this side now. Isn't that weird? All right, got the wheel turned the right way. Let's air it up. And it's actually better that the lawnmower is faced this way due to the fact when I try to start it, the exhaust is out that way. Oh, there we go. All right, first things first, let's check out the battery, I guess. It wasn't the first thing I wanted to do, but okay, not terrible. Let that dry out. All right, under the hood. So we know there's no gas in it. Curious on what this filter looks like. Let's go ahead and just take it off now. We can get it to start. I have a do this. I have a simple green method that I want to try on it. That right there. Oh, well, it's actually not terrible. Not terrible at all. It'll be good for at least one start, and then we'll replace that if we can get it to start and run. All right, well, she's bone dry of gas. Let's do it. Let's put some old gas in her, shall we? There we go. I guess that's how it works. Should be enough gas. All right, so she's all fueled up. Only problem is, battery's dead. But we're gonna give it the old college try. I'll show you what I mean. All right, so I have this Noco Boost Plus. You know, if you know what it is, you know what it is. It's a jump pack. I think it's 150. Oh, it's 1,000 amp, 12 volt, and it's meant to jump stuff that doesn't start. But it is a pain to actually use this on a lawnmower due to the fact that you actually have to sit on the lawnmower in order for it to start. It's like a safety feature, which I'm gonna get rid of that maybe. Who's to say? And, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put it on a battery charger for a couple hours. I got some other things. I got to build an up-ground garden and do all that jazz. But in the meantime, I'm gonna let this thing charge. See if we can't get a spark out of it. If not, I'm pretty sure this thing's charged. Yep, she's ready to go. So we can make it work. It just bends the crap out of these cables. I don't like that. But anyways, I'll get on the charger. I'll see it. Well, for you guys, a couple seconds, but for me, probably about 2 hours. Let's go. All right, actually, while that thing is charging the battery, I'm gonna build an up-ground planter, another one. All right, well, it's been charging, or on the trickle charger, for a couple hours now. Let's just see if it'll start. If not, it is what it is. And then, well, we'll see what happens. Let's try it out. Not supposed to roll backwards. Brakes don't really work. Let's try it out. All right, well, she does actually start, or she will start. So let's keep trying it. Alright, battery dead. Alright, I'll charge it overnight and we'll see what happens. We will get this thing to run. It actually wanted to start, but the battery died on it. So I'm just gonna, maybe I'll just keep it on the battery charger overnight and then we'll try it tomorrow morning. See you guys in the morning. All right, it's been charging overnight. See if we can get it to start. Ugh. Started right up. All right, so we got the lawnmower to start. I should say I got the lawnmower to start. Everything's running fantastic. The belt's kicked on. Everything is looking good. However, it's not engaging in gear, which we're gonna assess that problem and do some welding. Me and my pops here, probably in about a week or so. So if you enjoyed this first part, I guess, or episode 1 of season however many seasons, hopefully it's just one season, but episode 1, hopefully you enjoyed that. If you did, don't forget to leave a big thumbs up down below, subscribe if you guys are new, and enjoy the restoration project of the Craftsman. So take care everybody, see you in the next one, bye.